Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Ainul Nira binti Mama Yahya. My metric number is 14-20F2009. Today I would like to talk about case study 2. The first is content. First is introduction. Number 2, 2.1, explain detection buoys of tsunami. 2.2, explain relationship between sensor and telemetry. 2.3, diagram of buoyant system detection. 2.4, advantage and disadvantage. 3.0, conclusion. Telemetry is the automatic recording and transmission of data from remote or inaccessible sources to an IT system in a different location for monitoring and analysis. Example, relay using radio, infrared, ultrasonic, DJM, satellite or cable. Sensor device which read a physical stimulus and then convert that reading into an electrical signal output. Example, ADR or a light dependent resistor. Telemetry work through sensor at the remote source which measure physical such as precipitation, pressure or temperature, or electrical such as current or voltage data. Example, detect tsunami. 2.1, explain detection buoys of tsunami. What is the deep ocean tsunami detection buoy concept? Deep ocean tsunami detection buoys are one of two types of instruments used by the Bureau of Meteorology to confirm the existence of tsunami waves generated by undersea earthquakes. These buoys observe and record change in sea level out in the deep ocean. This enhances the capability for early detection and real-time reporting of tsunamis before they reach land. Okay, number 2.2, explain relationship between sensor and telemetry. The pressure sensor anchored to the sea floor and the surface buoy. The sensor of the sea floor measures the change in height of the water column above by measuring associated change in the water pressure. This water column height is communicated to the surface buoy by acoustic telemetry and then relayed via satellite to the tsunami warning center. Okay, so as you can see, when the wave close to the recorder, they can detect a tsunami and they transmit to the acoustic link, and then acoustic link transmit to satellite, and the satellite transmit to grounded station to tell about the wave. Okay, this is the advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, simple design that can be easily fabricated. Minimum number of welds, possibility of using concrete instead of steel, variety system or complicated component, excellent stability, measuring sea level change of less than a millimeter in the deep ocean. Disadvantage, only suitable for deep water side, more 80 meter due to large draft, and then assembly in shallow water not possible. Limited ability to tow the structure back to port for major repair, and then fatigue load in tower and blades might be higher than 40 lb. Another requires large draft for onshore assembles. Conclusion, in this function of operational principle of sensor and telemetry. The system is there with a tsunamimeter. We can detect tsunami wave from afar because they use sensor and telemetry system. Besides, in this way, we can prepare early to deal with problems such as large tides. Also, be able to warn the public in advance, fishermen and so on. that's all for me. Thank you. And then this is a reference.